So in my folder here, view components, I'm going to create a new SwiftUI file and call it empty basket view. Okay, and let's go to our basket view, and here we will just call that view. Okay, let's see what we need in this view. Let's see the visuals first from the ready application. So we have some kind of VStack with an image and just a text, as simple as that. And also we have some kind of background colory thing. So let's create let's do this dynamically actually, so that you can use this function, this view in any other your application. We want to pass a message here. So we say private let message is some string that we want to pass in. Then we will have our initializer and pass the message. So this view will show any message that you pass in. We need to give some kind of message here. Let's just say hello empty basket. This is for our canvas. Let's see if it's working. Unfortunately, it doesn't. So let me close it. In our body, we are going to have a Z stack with some color, system background color, and let's say edges, ignore safe area. We want to ignore all edges, so it will be like full gray, the system background color. All right, so this will be our background color there. Then on top we will have a V stack, and our V stack will have an image and the text. So let's have an image with system name. It will be list, bullet, clipboard. And then I want to add some symbol rendering mode. This is going to be palette, because the reason I'm doing it, I want to be able to add these colors manually. Otherwise it's going to be just be, let's say, one color. Unfortunately, the canvas is crashing, so we cannot view what we are doing, but it's okay. We're going to finish and see it on our simulator. So I'm going to go and set our foreground style. And here we are going to pass our colors. So it's going to be gray, red, and green. So let's just run our application now so you can have an idea. Why is this crashing? Oh, we didn't pass a message. Let's put it empty basket just for now and run. Let's go to our basket view, and you can see we have a tiny image here, but you can see the colors. So let's make it bigger. Let's go to our basket, empty basket view, and because this is a system image, we can actually make it bigger with our font size. So I can say font is of system size, let's put it 120. So it's really large font. Let's go to our basket, and I can see our clipboard is bigger. So if I comment out these two lines and run, you can see how it, not here, basket, you can see it's just a black image. But with these two, we are actually passing all the colors we want. So it will be nice and colorful. Then we want to have our text, which is whatever the message we have passed. And let's add some font of, I don't know, title 3, not very big. Font weight of semi-bold. Multi-line text alignment to be centered in case if the message is long, we want everything to be centered. Foreground color is secondary, And finally, let's put some padding in case it gets really big. Okay, our text is ready. Our VStack is ready. I want to put a little bit of offset for my VStack. On Y, because right now it's quite low, because we want to push it a little bit up because our text will be here underneath. I want it to have some kind of middle, in the middle of the screen effect. So the Y, we are going to put some minus 50 points there. And let's run. Hopefully we should see our empty view now. All right. So it says empty basket. So let me go to my basket view. And instead of just saying empty basket, where is the, not the view model, the basket. Okay, and we will say you have no items in your basket. All right, you can do like, I don't know, please add some. The /n is basically a new line. Let's see what. So you have no items in your basket, please add some. Okay, so let's have something in our basket. We don't see that view. Let's place an order. Order is placed, basket is emptied, and we again have this empty basket view, and you can see that order is placed. So the next thing is our account view. We are going to set our account view and we are going to save it on our keychain.